we are in the midst of the Covid-19 pandemic, and we need to arm ourselves with ammunitions to protect ourselves and our family from the Covid-19 virus and minimize the effects of the virus to as little as possible. I have with me the Control D pulse oximeter. Now, what does this oximeter do? It measures the saturation of the oxygen level in your blood and also measures the pulse in your body. A normal person will have an oxygen saturation of 95% to 99% or maybe up to 100%. But if somebody is infected with the COVID-19 virus, the virus attacks the lungs. This results in less oxygen intake by the lungs, and the level of oxygen will go down to less than 90%. That is when the person feels breathless. Again, this is a very non-invasive method of measurement of saturation of oxygen. There are no pricks, nothing. All that you need to do is keep your finger in the middle, start this button, let it rest for some time, and let the readings come onto the screen. Also, it's so easy to operate. It operates on 2 AAA cells. That is also provided along with this oximeter. And once the cells are in place, and this is the on-off button, that is all that you need to do. So let us start off the oximeter with this on-off button. You can see that the screen has come, and now I'm putting my index finger onto and the reading has already started coming. Now the reading in red, this is my oxygen saturation, which is showing as 99%. That is the SpO2 saturation. And the reading in yellow is my pulse rate. My pulse rate is presently shown at 91 beats per minute. That is all that needs to be done. It's very clear that I don't have the COVID-19 virus infection. Otherwise, my oxygen saturation would not be 99%. All that you need to take care of is there should be no nail polish on your nail, number 1. And you should not have had stuck any artificial nail onto your nail. Or there should be no bandage or a tape when you are taking a measurement. You can take a measurement with any of your fingers. There is no restriction on that. All that you need to ensure is this infrared light inside should cover your finger totally. Let it rest and the reading will come up by itself. Again, it's showing a reading of 99% for my oxygen saturation and my pulse rate of 93. The reason why I chose this control the oximeter, 2 or 3 reasons. One is it is made in India. There may be cheaper oximeters available, but they might not be accurate or they might not carry a warranty. This one carries a warranty for 1 year. So don't get misled by, this is a one-time purchase, so don't get misled by cheap oximeters which are made in some other country. You know what I'm talking about. Buy a make in India product. It is very user friendly. There is a buzzer sound, very accurate. It gives off an error of plus or minus 1%. Auto shut off. It's a long battery life. These 2 batteries are going to last me for about 15 hours. And very, very quick reading of both the oxygen saturation as well as my pulse rate. This is going to be my armament against the war of Covid-19. If you want to buy this oximeter, the link for purchase is given in the description. Please go ahead and buy for your house. If you have some interesting product for us to review, please do get in touch with us at the email ID which is given in the description as well. Hope you liked the video. I'm sure you love the product. Do give a like to our video. Do subscribe to our channel for many such interesting reviews. Till we meet again, this is goodbye.